It's Clarke from Halton Honda, standing next to a 2019 Honda CR-V touring package. Black exterior, black interior, loaded with features. You got your backup camera, heated seats front and rear, moonroof, blind spot monitoring, built-in navigation, all your Honda sensing features, and much more. So if you are interested in a CR-V, this is currently my best bang for the buck on the lot with only 68,000 K, 2019 touring package. So the top model that we offer in the CR-V. For more information, you can call me on my cell, 289-321-2035. Once again, it's Clarke Fortuna with Halton Honda.